I truly appreciate the dedication of Kate. I understand that this is a very time-consuming volunteer commitment, as I was NHMA president about 15 years ago. Fast forward and things have changed as we have grown. However, when Kate started, there was a transition to a new administrative staff and no executive director. This organization was truly run by volunteers on the board and committees for several months, and it is because of their commitment, led by Kate, that we can be here today. It truly has been a pleasure working with Kate over the last year and a half, and I will miss our time together as I wish her well into the future. But I know she will not be far away, as she will continue to be actively involved in our organization. At this time, please join me in welcoming Kate Houlihan to our virtual stage.
Oh, Jamie, thank you. So first of all, you guys didn't know that I can't even watch Disney movies without crying. So between the intro and that, so thank you, Jamie. It really has been my pleasure to be in this role of president of NHMA. And 2 years ago at the 2018 annual meeting, I really didn't have a good grasp on all the changes we were about to embark on. We had just finished our strategic planning session, and we had 3 main initiatives, but what's on paper and how it shows up in life can be 2 completely different things. Our first initiative was to strengthen the executive director's role. And what happened next wasn't exactly what we had planned. We found ourselves without an executive director for the next 4 months. But during that time, the board, the executive committee, and our volunteers all stepped up to the plate and did what was necessary to keep us moving. And with the help of everyone, we were able to accomplish our second initiative, which Jamie mentioned, which is revamping our entire administrative process within 60 days without an executive director. But I really believe that our third initiative was one that had the most powerful impact on the future of the association. We need to take a long, hard look at our programs and make sure that the content provided relevant and useful information for our manufacturing members. So over the next 2 years, the program committee was able to increase the number of programs offered. But even more important was the format and topics that were made and presented to our members. And what happened next was exactly what we hoped for. The number of manufacturers at the programs increased. They came multiple times during the year, and our members became more engaged, truly a testament to that committee and the presenters of those programs. And by November of 2018, we found our new executive director. As a 20-year member of NHMA and a board president, we knew Jamie Scott was committed to our mission and to manufacturing in Connecticut. And since he came on board, there's been no turning back. And on a personal, I wish I had 10% of Jamie's energy. I'd get a lot more done. But there are a lot of other people that help make these initiatives and many other accomplishments of NHMA happen over the past 2 years. Our board of directors, our committee members, they all need to be acknowledged for their tireless support and commitment. We rely on them a lot, and they are always there for us and for you, our members. And for that, I want to thank them. There's also a few individuals in particular that I'd like to thank. After many years of being part of NHMA, these people are moving on, but their presence, sense of humor, guidance, and expertise will truly be missed. So I want you to join me in thanking Tom Ore for being a longtime member and former board member, Jeff Paz for 14 years as a board member and former president, and John Ermer for 10 years as a board member and our treasurer. And as president, I've had the pleasure of having an amazing vice president at my side. Jill Mears' guidance and support has been a huge help. Her commitment to this organization and to manufacturing in Connecticut is unwavering. I want to personally thank her for working side by side with me over the past 2 years. So while my term as president is ending, I will remain on the board and the executive committee for the next 2 years. I've enjoyed every minute of my time as president. I'm grateful and humbled by the opportunity to support manufacturing in Connecticut with my fellow board members. So you may be asking, what's next for us? Well, you'll have to stay around for the rest of the meeting to find out.